Welcome back to Quick Smart Quiz. Can you guess 50 different animals? It starts easy, but gets harder. Good luck! Before starting, please subscribe to this channel for more exciting quizzes. Let's start with the easy level. First question, guess this animal. Rabbit. What animal is this? Duck. Can you name this creature? Frog. Do you know this animal? Goat. Which animal could this be? Catfish. Identify this animal. Donkey. What's the name of this animal? Goose. Can you guess what this is? Lizard. Guess this animal. Ant. What's this animal called? Crab. Any idea what animal that is? Owl. Can you tell which animal this is? Butterfly. What do you think this animal is? Bee. Try to guess this animal. Rat. Which animal are we looking at? Dove. Think you know this animal? Parrot. Can you figure out this animal? Dogfish. What type of animal is this? Pigeon. What kind of creature is this? Sheep. Can you recognize this animal? Snail. Next up is the medium level. Take a guess. What animal is it? Gazelle. Here's a challenge. Name this animal. Hyena. What animal comes to mind? Iguana. Can you name this wild creature? Koala. Guess the animal shown here. Lynx. Guess this animal. Orangutan. Take a guess. What animal is it? Panda. Which animal do you think it is? Peacock. Can you spot which animal this is? Raccoon. Let's see if you can guess this animal. Seal. What's your guess for this animal? Tapir. Do you recognize this creature? Wombat. What's your guess for this animal? Caracal. Time to guess the animal. Coyote. Here's a tricky one. What animal is this? Mandrill. Let's see if you can guess this animal. Reindeer. What's this adorable animal called? Skunk. Which jungle animal is this? Snow leopard. What creature is this? Stork. Can you tell what animal it might be? Wild boar. Next up is the hard level. Do you know this rare animal? Saiga. Can you identify this wild animal? Markhor. Let's test your animal knowledge. Name this. Dhole. What's your best guess for this animal? Kakarat. Which wild animal could this be? Maned wolf. Guess the animal before time runs out. Solenodon. Can you name the animal from the picture? Numbat. Can you guess this animal in seconds? Civet. Look closely. Can you name this animal? Cassowary. Final round. Can you name this animal? Quoll. Pick your next challenge and make sure you like and subscribe. And also, don't forget to share your score in the comment.